So here's the deal. We do need to make sure first off we recognize that it says feet here and yards here. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the area of this carpet. Now that just means that we're going to do length times width, which would be 16 times 18, and that's going to give me 288. Now we need to convert this feet into yards. There are 3 feet per yard, but because we're dealing with squared feet, we need to make sure we square that conversion of 3. So 3 squared is 9. That means we're going to be dividing this by 9 to get it into yards. 288 divided by 9 is 32, so that means we're dealing with 32 yards squared here. Now it is 65 cents per yard, so we're just going to multiply this by 0.65, and that's going to give us a final answer of 20.8. In other words, answer C.